DNA.
Oo, tama. DNA.
Answer C.
Yes.
Tingnan niyo to. Who was the
Yes.
oldest man in the Bible?
Abraham.
Ano?
Oldest man.
Oldest man?
Hmm.
Abraham.
Hmm.
Answer C. Methuselah. Who was the disciple whom Jesus
Wala na tayo sa Bible.
You say I love you in Spanish.
Mi amor.
Ano?
I love you in Spanish.
Ti
Mi
amo?
amor. Ay, hindi.
Ti amo?
Ti amo. Mi amor, may love pala yun.
Nice. Ti amo.
Ti amo.
Answer A. Te amo.
Ay,
How do you
ti
say hello
amo.
in Spanish?
Hola.
Ah? Buenos dias.
Ha?
Buenos
Hol-
dias.
Hi yung hola, no? Ah,
Buenos dias.
good day yan eh. Ah, sige, hola ako.
Okay.
Answer B.
Ayo,
Hola.
tama ka.
How do you say goodbye in Spanish?
Adios.
Adios.
Adios, mabalos.
Answer C. Adios. How do you say apple in Spanish?
Fruta. Manzana.
Huh?
Manzana.
Apple?
Ah,
Manzana.
ah.
Answer D. Manzana.
diba?
How do you say please in Spanish?
Por
Please,
favor.
por favor. Ba't nasa language na tayo, di?
Answer
Ano
C.
yan?
Por favor. How do you say car in Spanish?
Kose.
Oh, koshe. Automobile.
Ose.
Automobile.
A. Coche. How do you say friend in Spanish?
Friend.
Amigo.
Amigo. Hermano, kapatid eh.
Answer B. Amigo. How do you say I love you in Spanish? Which animal never sleeps during its lifetime?
Which animal never sleep? During his life?
Snake. Snake, daddy.
Never sleep?
Yung mga ano sa dagat na yan, di ba?
Hmm.
Yung nga, try mo nga.
Natutulog ang snake eh.
Natutulog ba? Asa gabi lang naman daw eh.
Ayaw, gabi tama kasi gabi pala active yung snake.
Answer C.
Ay, mali
Shark.
tayo di.
Which is the country where no river flows?
Ako naman.
How many pairs of chromosomes do humans have? What
Oh,
is
yan,
the-
yan,
How many
chromosomes.
pairs of chromosomes do humans
23.
have?
23.
Sige, sige nga.
Answer B. 23.
Ay,
What gives blood its red color?
red color,
Hemoglobin.
plate. Ay, ano hindi pala?
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
Ay, hindi. Iron.
Iron ba?
Oo. Iron.
Answer C.
Hemoglobin.
Oo.
Kasi pag sa dugo, iron eh.
Animals that live on land and in water are called?
Namas that live on land and...
Amphibians.
Ha?
Amphibians.
Reptiles.
Nga.
Answer B. Amphibians.
Galing.
What molecule carries genetic information?
RNA.
DNA nga.
Ba't molecule carries naman ah?
Answer A.
Ayaw nga pala.
DNA. What is the scientific name for humans?
Homo habilis. Ano ba?
Homo
sapiens?
sapiens.
Homo sapiens.
Ikaw di Homo erectus ka eh.
Unggoy.
Homo sapiens. What protein makes up hair and nails?
Ano
What
daw di?
proteins makes hair and nails?
Hair and nails? Ano bang
Keratin.
pilian?
Keratin.
Collagen?
Sa mukha yan, isa balat yan. Keratin.
Collagen.
Answer B. Keratin. Which pigment gives plants their green color?
Which pigments give plants their green color?
Chlorophyll.
Pigments. Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll ka na.
Chlorophyll.
Yan.
Answer C. Chlorophyll. What is the main cause of cancer?
Virus.
Ha?
Bacteria.
Cancer nga eh.
Kaya nga.
Stress.
What is the main cause of cancer? Ano stress?
Radiation.
Ha?
Radiation.
Bacteria?
Radiation? Sige, press.
Ay, virus.
Radiation.
Virus. Mutation.
Mutation.
Ay,
What is the
bakit?
leading cause of death worldwide?
Death, ano daw?
What is the leading cause of death worldwide?
Worldwide.
Heart disease. Cancer.
Diabetes.
Cancer? Alam ko cancer eh.
Answer A, heart disease.
Heart
What is
disease.
the major
Cause of blood pressure. Cholesterol.
Cholesterol.
cause of blood pressure?
Hindi ko may.
Answer B.
Sodium.
What
Ha?
is the main cause of kidney failure?
Mali tayo.
Kidney alcohol.
Answer B,
Huh?
diabetes. What is the cause of high blood sugar?
Insulin.
What is the cause of high blood sugar?
Ano daw? What is the cause of high blood? Poor diet.
Lack of sleep.
Low blood yan eh.
Answer C,
Insulin.
What is the main cause of malaria?
What is the ano daw?
Main cause of malaria. Bacteria.
Malaria.
Bacteria. Ano? Mosquito fan.
Si daddy naman kasi di pa nga ako eh.
What is the primary cause of cavities?
Ano daw?
Main primary cause of cavities.
Cavities, anong pilian?
Sugar.
Ang pupilian pa.
Bacteria, acid, fluoride.
Fluoride.
Sugar yan.
Answer A, bacteria.
Bacteria, sabi
What is
niya.
the main cause of cancer? What medication is commonly used to relieve allergy symptoms such as sneezing and itching?
Cetirizine.
Ha?
Cetirizine.
Answer C, loratadine. Which of the following is an anticoagulant medication prescribed to prevent blood clots?
Blood clot.
Amoxicillin.
Hindi. Ano yung aspirin? Sige nga, try mo aspirin. Blood clot.
Alam mo amoxicillin eh.
Answer B.
Warfarin.
What is the medicine omeprazole used for?
Omeprazole.
Leprosol. Ano? Omeprazole.
Acid reflux.
Acid reflux. Or and
Answer B, acid reflux.
Oh,
In
bagay kay
psychiatry,
Beb.
what class of medication is often prescribed for the treatment of depression?
Ano daw?
Antidepressant.
Antidepressant. Anxiolytics.
Answer A, antidepressants.
Antidepressants.
Which medication is commonly used to treat acid reflux and peptic ulcers?
Ano di? Acid reflux? Metformin? Di ko rin alam.
Albuterol.
Sige nga, metformin sa akin.
Answer B, ranitidine. What is the
Ranitidine.
primary purpose of the medication albuterol?
Albuterol. Narinig ko na yung albuterol na yun. Asthma sa ata yan.
Sa akin, pain relief.
Asthma relief.
Answer A, asthma relief.
Sige.
What is the medical term for a heart attack?
Heart attack.
Cardiac arrest.
Heart attack. What is the medical term of heart attack?
Cardiac arrest.
Oo, cardiac arrest.
Answer A, myocardial infarction. What is the medical term for the voice box?
Voice box.
Larynx.
Larynx.
Oo.
Bronchus.
Hindi yan. Trachea or larynx. Larynx
Bronchus.
aram ko eh.
Answer B,
Mm.
larynx. What is the term for difficulty breathing?
Hypoxia.
Hypoxia.
Answer B,
Ay,
dyspnea. Which
dyspnea.
chamber of the heart receives oxygenated blood from the lungs?
Right?
Which
Right, left,
Which chamber of heart receives oxygen blood for the lungs? Okay.
Receive.
Receive.
Which, right. Right atrium. Tayo mga di. Sa'yo yung left para pag nagkamali.
Sige, left atrium.
Sa akin na right.
Answer C.
Oh, tawa ka na din!
Which organ does the process of digestion begin?
Which organ does the first?
Mouth.
Esophagus.
Nilulunok ko lang yan eh.
Sure.
Mouth. Sa'yo. Ano sa'yo? So,
Digestion begin.
Oo, nagda-digest ka na ng pagkain. Siyempre, chinuchew mo na. Hinunguya mo. Yun na, sa'yo ano?
Which organ does the process of digestion begin?
Ano sa'yo?
Stomach.
What sa akin? Please.
Ay, esophagus. Esophagus yan.
Sige.
Answer C. Which vitamin is
Galing ah. Logic pala yun. Akala ko syempre kahit